the internet is completely divided. On one side, you will see headlines like placements are slowing, fees crossing 20 lakhs, ROI is uncertain. And on the other side, news says something shocking. Top MBA colleges like IIM Calcutta still recorded 100% placements with 36 LPA average salary in 2026. And then you open YouTube. Some creators say MBA is outdated. AI will replace managers, don't waste 20-30 lakhs. So now the real question is, should you still do an MBA in 2026 or it is just an expensive mistake? Today I will give you a clear data-backed answer. No hype, no fear. Why people think MBA is not worth it? Let's first understand why so many people today are saying MBA is not worth it. Because honestly, the confusion is real. High fees is equals to high fear. In India, MBA costs around 15 to 25 lakhs. If you go abroad, the cost can range from 20 lakhs to 50 to 60 lakhs or even more. Now imagine being 22 to 23 years old, taking a loan of this size. The first thought in your mind is, what if I don't get a job? And that fear is completely valid. Second, average colleges is equals to low ROI. Let's be honest, not every MBA college is an Indian Institute of Management, that is IIM. If you consider non-IIM or tier 2 colleges, the reality is very different. Many colleges charge 10 to 15 lakhs in fees, but placements are mostly around 5 to 7 LPA. And here is the most important part. A majority of these jobs are in sales role, where pressure is high, targets are aggressive, and growth is not always guaranteed. Now do the maths. You invest lakhs, you take an education loan or pay EMIs, but your salary is not strong enough to justify that investment. That's where MBA becomes risky. Not because MBA is bad, but because poor colleges selection leads to poor returns. Third, social media hype. And then comes the biggest influence, social media. Everywhere you scroll, you see skills matter, degree does not sound cool, right? But here is the reality. It is an incomplete truth because skills plus degree together create the real advantage. So yes, confusion is real. MBA expensive तो है, AI का fear भी है, ROI का doubt है, everything seems against MBA. But here is the problem. Most people are making decisions based on opinions, not facts. So now, let's flip the perspective. Let's look at real data, real outcomes, and the actual truth about MBA in 2026, because reality might surprise you. Data that changes everything. First, MBA employability is rising. MBA employability in India was around 41%, but by 2024, it jumped to 71%. That's not a small increase. That's a massive shift. Meaning, more MBA graduates are becoming job ready. Second, salary growth is huge. Let's talk about money, because at the end of the day, that's what everyone really cares about. Here is the reality of MBA salaries in 2026. Freshers, 7 to 10 LPA. Average professionals, 12 to 23 LPA. And if you are from a top college, then 20 to 30 LPA or even more. But wait, this is just the beginning. Here is the crazy part. Within just 3 years, your salary can grow by 150% to 180%. Let that sink in. Your income does not just increase, it multiplies. And that is the real power of an MBA. Segment 3, beyond ROI. Now let's move beyond the biggest question everyone asks. Is MBA worth the investment? Because honestly, MBA is not just about ROI. It is much bigger than numbers. Top B schools don't just teach your subjects. They train you to handle pressure. Tight deadlines, high expectation, constant competition. You learn how to perform even when the stakes are high. And that's exactly what the real corporate world demands. But that not just even the biggest advantage. The real power of an MBA is the people you meet. You are surrounded by future CEOs, startup founders, industry leaders in the making. These are the some people who will grow with you, build company, and open doors for you in future. Because in the long run, your network becomes your net worth, and that is something no ROI calculation can measure. So yes, MBA is not just an investment in a degree. It is investment in who you become and who you grow with. Which MBA colleges offers the best ROI in India? At the very top of the ROI game is FMS Delhi, often called the ultimate value for money B school in India. Just think about this. With fees of only around 2.3 lakhs and an average package of 34 LPA, it delivers insane returns compared to most private colleges charging 10x more. Next up, we have IISc Bangalore. Yes, not just for tech but also making waves in management. Its fees are roughly 5 lakhs while the average salary touches 29.6 LPA. That is a powerful combination of brand plus ROI. Then comes JBIMS Mumbai, famously known as the CEO factory of India, with fees of about 8 lakhs and an average package of 26 LPA. It continues to be one of the strongest ROI colleges in country. Now let's talk about the big names, the IIM. IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Lucknow, Indore and Kozhikode may have higher fees ranging between 20 lakhs to 27 lakhs. But here is the catch. Their average packages are mostly 28 LPA and above, which helps justify that investment in the long run. Coming to top private B schools, XLRI Jamshedpur and SPJI MR Mumbai consistently deliver excellent placement while keeping fees relatively balanced. Along with them, MDI Gurgaon and IIM Shillong also offer solid returns, making them smart choices for ROI-focused students. And finally, at the premium end, we have ISB Hyderabad. Yes, the fees are highest around 38.6 lakhs, but because it is 1-year program and offers an average package of 34 LPA, it still remains competitive in terms of ROI. Which MBA colleges offer the best ROI abroad? At the very top is INSEAD, often called the ultimate ROI MBA globally. Just think about this. A. 1-year MBA, fees around Euro 1 lakh and 90% students get placed within 3 months with salary crossing 100k Euro. Next is HEC Paris, one of the Europe's strongest ROI school. Fees around Euro 80,000, salary 90k Euro. Firms like McKinsey, BCG, Bain High heavily here. Then comes London Business School, a global powerhouse. Fees are highest pound 1,15,000. But 90% placement within 3 months and salary above 100k justify the investment. Now the US giants Harvard, Stanford and Wharton fees can go $150k. Median salary hits 160k to 175k with recruiters like Amazon, Google and McKinsey. For smarter ROI, Mannheim, ESSEC and Rotman offer lower fees plus strong placement outcomes, especially with post-study work options. Now, how should students choose the best colleges? But here is something most students don't realize. Experts always say don't just look at the headlines of salary because real ROI depends on much more than that. Things like batch size, industry exposure, long-term career growth and alumni network play a huge role. In fact, many times a lower cost college with consistent placement can actually outperform an expensive MBA in the long run. So what's the real takeaway? A great MBA does not always need a massive price tag. If you choose smartly, ROI focused colleges can give you both a strong career and financial stability. Fourth, demand section. And no MBA demand is not dying. In fact, it's evolving. Companies still needs manager, leader and decision makers. MBA is still preferred for leadership roles and globally demand for management professionals is growing. Here is the truth. Nobody tells you. AI can automate tasks, but it cannot replace decision making, leadership and strategy thinking. And that is exactly where MBA graduates win. MBA is not dead. Wrong MBA is dead. Listen carefully. This is the most important part. MBA is not useless. Average MBA is useless. MBA works only if you choose a good college, you build real skills, you use networking, Because MBA gives you leadership skills, business understanding, and industry connection. And these are things AI cannot replace easily. Why MBA is powerful in 2026? Faster promotions. MBA graduates move faster into managers, team lead, strategy roles. Even online MBA can give 30 to 100% salary increase. Network is hidden gold. Your MBA network can get you jobs, help in business, open global opportunities. So, is MBA in 2026 worth it? Yes, if you do it smartly. No, if you do it blindly. Do MBA if you target top or decent colleges, you want career growth or switch, you are ready to build skills. Avoid MBA if you just want a degree. You choose random colleges, you don't have career clarity. MBA is not a magic degree, but in 2026, it is still one of the fastest way to grow your career. If you use it correctly, if this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more real study abroad and career insights, comment below. MBA or skills, what do you think? Thank you.